Do you want to add an admin to your Facebook page but don't know where to start? If so, you are in the right place. Today I will show you exactly how to do it on your PC in just few clicks. And the best part is, even if you have zero experience, you will be able to do it like a pro. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook and access to your page. First, open your Facebook on your PC and log into your account. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select See All Profiles. Choose the page where you want to add an admin. Step 2. Open Page Settings. Click on your profile picture and navigate to Settings. From the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Page Setup. This will give you access to essential settings. So, go to Page Access. This is where you manage role and permissions. Step 3. Add a new admin. Before editing a new admin, you will see a list of people who already have access to your page. This helps you review existing roles and manage permissions effectively. Now click Add New and tap the name or email address of the person you want to make an admin. Step 4. Assign admin role. Now, select admin from the available roles. A quick note, admins have full control over the page, so make sure you trust the person. Once selected, click Give Access and enter your password for security verification. Step 5. Confirmation and final step. That's it. The person will receive a notification to accept the role. Once they confirm, they will have full admin access to your page. And that's how you can add an admin to your Facebook page on PC. Even if you have never done it before, if this video helped, give it a like. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.